Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
What's up, guys? What's up? What is up? What's up, Big Pimpin'? Alright, so, as the title of the YouTube says, Super Scalping Strategy Proven, right? So, welcome. Good morning, everybody. And whoever is not on the side where I live, it's probably nighttime for you. But it's 9:06 a.m. for me currently right now, okay? So yeah, I was supposed to be on Wednesday and on Monday, but we had something in me and the Trading Nut had some streaming issues with a platform. So anyway, we got it fixed and now it's up and going. Let me just add. Okay, here we go. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start. Let me show you guys the strategy. I didn't mark up my chart yet because I want to do it with you guys. And, oh, where did my screen go? Sorry about that. There's my screen. Alright. These are old. All right, so as you guys know, if you're trading futures, we did switch over to the June contract. And for my rules, I don't take any trades until 9:30 a.m. Hopefully I'm not lagging because my laptop was dying. So I had to plug it in. That might be why I'm a little skippy if I am. Anyways, all right, so we're going to come down here to the mark up our charts. All right, so I have Asian session indicator on, which shows me these highs and lows of each session. So the blue is New York session, the yellow is London session, and the red is Asia session, okay? So I come to the higher time frame, and I'm just pretty much looking for direction on the higher time frame. And since we're in a range, literally, obviously, we're in a range. I'm going to zoom in here and see what the overall price action trend would be. And currently looks like we're in a downtrend. So Asia was here. This is Asia high. This is London high. So I'm going to go ahead and mark off those highs. Okay. Here is Asia high. Here is London high. Also, can you guys just put down in the chat for me, like how long have you been trading? How long have you been following the Trading Nuts live stream? Or just his channel in general. I want to give him some feedback for you guys. If there's anything you guys want to be added to his channel, just let me know and I will definitely give him the feedback for it. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button, guys. Hit that bell button for Trading Nut and myself. All right, so get back into it. We got Asia highs. We got London highs. Um, we have these current, keyword current, New York highs right here. It's your first day today, E? Well, welcome, bro. Welcome. Or woman, whatever you are. You can be whatever you want to be. You want to be an animal? You could be an animal. Whatever. Anyway, welcome, E. So I'm marking off these highs right here on the higher time frame. So we just tapped into this London low from not yesterday. This was from Wednesday. This was a London low from Wednesday. We're literally tapping into it right now, and see how we just bounced off of it and reacted from it. There's also a Asia low right next to it. So this makes it a really strong level. This makes it a really strong level because, sorry, it's better. That was bothering me. Because highs and lows of each session is where liquidity is resting, okay? You've been subscribed for some yeets, for some years. Okay, is there anything that you want to see on his YouTube, that I can tell him about? It looks like that we are trying to target this New York low down here, guys, really quickly. I'm going to get back to the comments in a second. Looks like we are trying to target these New York lows down here. So, now that I have my lows, my liquidity levels marked off, I'm going to mark off one more just in case we decide to come a little bit lower. I want to go down to this low. But I'm expecting us to come down and then kind of bounce back up. But okay, so I got my levels of liquidity marked off. So I'm going to come down to my 15-minute and I'm going to mark off the New York Open. That is after 15 minutes. A lot of people trade the open breakout range. And that's pretty much what this is. Some people trade it during 9:30. They use it for the 9:30 candle, but I use it for the 8 a.m. candle because that's really when the New York stock opens. 9:30 a.m. is when the New York Stock Exchange opens. NYSE, that's when that opens. Okay, that's why you see a lot of volume coming in around 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, EST, because that's when the NYSE market opens, and that's when most people are trading. That's pretty much the U.S. stock market. All right, so what I'm looking for here, guys, is we also have a very nice FVG sitting here. Very nice 15-minute FVG sitting here. All right, so we're obviously in a downtrend. We did just tap into this low. So if we can reverse, inverse this FVG here and close above New York Open, I would like to see us come back up to take out these highs. But since we are in a downtrend, I'd like to stay bearish unless we inverse this FVG and we close back above New York Open. So right now my bias is bearish unless those two things happen. Okay? So now all we're doing is waiting for 9:30 a.m. That is where I will be looking for a... So we had a break of New York Open. What I'm going to be looking for is a retest of New York Open. And then I will target this low. And then I'll come down here and target this low. What is this? This New York low. And if we want to go further, I'll target this London low. But let's say, we come up here and we close above this this FVG. I would really, really, really want to see us close above New York Open too. Not just the FVG. That's going to be my first confirmation. Because the FVG and the Open are so close together that I want to be able to inverse both of them, and then I'll take my trade for longs if that does play out. But right now I'm staying bearish. Let me turn my phone on do not disturb. So leave me alone, everybody. But let's see. But yeah, so you said you've been subscribed for some years. Damn. Are you a profitable trader? Do you trade? Do you trade Forex? Futures? What do you guys trade? I need to get some music up in here. It's all quiet and shit. Like what the you know what I would really like to hear? I would like to listen to some fucking classical music. So yeah, what I'm waiting for, guys, is I'm waiting for a retest to come back down. You know, but since we closed so strong below New York Open, we have a very, very high chance of literally just coming back to retest this FVG, to reject it and push back down. So, yeah, two scenarios that could play out here. This would be TP1. That'll be TP2. I also want to look at the daily here. Okay. Oh, also today is something called OPEX, guys. Something called OPEX. And if you don't know what OPEX is, Eddie here, Forex up to now. Finally lost money in a while. Want to learn futures before I jump in. Anything you recommend? Yeah, so I actually was in Forex too myself for a little while. I live in the US, so I was doing Forex for a while. I did really like it, but I did have to switch over to futures. I know that right now a lot of people are going back to Forex in the US because they've like switched some rules around or whatever, but yeah, I was trading Forex. Now I'm in futures, like I said. I'm using Apex for the live stream, and all I trade is NQ and ES because they pretty much play off of each other. So you could look into NQ and ES. That's what I'm trading right now on this screen. I used to trade golds a lot. Like I traded, that was all I traded was gold. I made some good money off of gold. But I learned that with NQ and ES, you really don't need that much of a movement to make a lot of money. Really don't. Do you mean like, do I recommend anything as in a pair to trade, or what do you mean? Recommend what? Oh, excuse me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, baby. You said you haven't lost money in a while, really? And you just started? Oh, no. You said today is your first day on Trading Nut YouTube. Oh, okay. Oh God, excuse me. All right, I need to watch the 15-minute and the 5-minute together. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you mainly do price action, then that means you're a scalper, right? Am I right? But then you mentioned swing trading. I don't really like swing trading. I'm not a swing trader. My psychology just does not work well with swing trading. I don't want to sit here and wait fucking weeks or days for it to hit my TP, only for it to come all the way back down and hit break even. Like, I don't like that shit. I like my money, and I want my money right now. I'm a scalper, and we're gonna get some super scalping strategies. Oh yeah, I didn't even finish what I was saying. We still have 8 minutes, guys, before NYSE opens, so I'm not doing anything until that 9:30 mark. That's my rule. I came on to mark up my chart early to watch it, to see how it goes, and then I'll be assessing what to do when that 9:30 mark comes. We could also see areas like these lows getting taken out first. And then we could see um, a nice reversal and grab some longs on the way back up. If we don't have a retest, right? If we don't have a retest. So I would like to see that. That's what I would like to see. If we don't have a retest at 9:30. But let me see. I mainly do daily charts up to now. Exactly, I want to learn future scalping. Yeah, I mean it's the same thing. It's no difference, bro. I mean a market is a market. You know, a chart is a chart. The patterns are the patterns. I mean it's gonna be the same everywhere, anywhere. Um, I mean I do the same thing I did on forex that I do here on futures. So it's no difference really, bro. The only difference between forex and futures is the risk management. That is the only difference that I have noticed between Forex and futures. Because with Forex, oh my God, are you serious? They just fucking showed my goddamn Apex. TradingView is always logging people out of their fucking accounts, bro. Like, stop doing that shit, dude. Y'all just be showing my shit like that. Not cool, bro. Not cool at all, bro. Not at all, bro. Sorry, what was I saying? That just pissed me off. Um, yeah. Like I said, it's the same thing, dude. It's the same thing. Also, I didn't finish saying this earlier, but today is also OPEX. And OPEX, I just learned about OPEX actually from one of my mentors. I just learned about it. So OPEX is for options. It's an options thing. And OPEX is where the market it could potentially get pretty choppy. Right now it looks kind of clean. It looks pretty clean right now, actually. It doesn't really look choppy at all. So I think we might get a clean move. I have a feeling we're going to get some longs instead since we're just continuing down. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what the market presents. But Yeah, for OPEX, it's an options thing. This is where it happens every third Friday of the month. Every third Friday of the month, OPEX happens. So if you're ever trading every third Friday of the month and you notice there's a lot of fucking chop, what to blame is OPEX. OPEX is for options. This is where the contracts start to expire, I believe. I'm still a little new to the concept, so don't hold me to it. I'm just gonna look it up for you guys. But yeah, it's pretty much where a lot of traders start hesitating and panicking because, you know, for options they have contracts and expirations. So if your contract hasn't hit by the expiration date, bye bye, you lost all that money. You didn't get any of it. Let's see. All right, so let me read it word for word to you guys. OPEX is short for options expiration and refers to the third Friday of each month when most stock options and related futures contracts expire. Why is it important? In OPEX, there's a large amount of trading activity as traders close out expiring options and futures contracts, potentially leading to increased volatility in the underlying assets. So, that's it. They also have witching hours on Apex. Wow. The last hour of trading on Apex, the third Friday of each month, is called the witching hour. And it's a time of heightened trading activity as traders close out positions before the expiration of contracts. Wow. So yeah, that's OPEX for you guys. So yeah, see how we just bounced off of this New York low, guys? That was perfect. See how we just bounced off of that shit and then just started bouncing up? Why? Because that is where liquidity is resting, okay? That is literally where, if it was 9:30, I would have taken a bounce trade from here. If it was 9:30, but I gotta follow my rules, guys. I just have to. I just have to follow my rules. I want to stay consistent. I want to be able to just live, bro. Wow, okay, so I'm going to not look at that FBG right now. Oh, I gotta use the bathroom really quick. Really quick. I got 3 minutes before open, so give me 3 minutes. 2 minutes. All right. All right. Well, you can stick with me, E. Um, yeah. There's also also a huge 30-minute FVG now. That's huge. A nice FVG, 5-minute FVG here. I like this one a lot. It's on the inside of this 15-minute FVG. So, all right, there's a 9:30 open. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna get rid of that FVG and I'm actually gonna focus on this one here. How many points is this FVG? 63 points on that FVG. 63 points. All right, cool. Yeah, just stick with us, bro, and learn how to scalp a little bit. I mean, you don't have to trade like me, but I always find it very helpful to watch how other traders trade. Oh, we have a 15-minute doji closer here. Huh. If we break this FVG, I might take some longs up to these highs right, or to this New York Open right here. Nope, we didn't fully tap into it, guys, so I don't really like the trade. All right, well that long is out of the picture. If we chop here, guys, I'm probably not going to take a trade. It is OPEX. I don't want to get caught in this chop. And you know, it's always good to not take a trade. In this market, or not this market, in this career, less is better, right? Less is always better. Because I gotta wait for my strategy to play out. And if it doesn't play out, I can't take a setup. I mean, I can't take a trade because there's no setup for me. I mean, that's just my strategy, my setup. Other people don't trade like me. Other people trade differently. But my strategy, I have been able to get like over 100 points. Okay, just by waiting for my fucking setup and being patient. So I have to continue with that because this Apex account right here. This is a combine that I'm using for the live, and look, I need almost like half, and then I'll pass. So that's probably like 2 or 3 trades. It could be 2 trades. It could be 1 trade, but I gotta wait, guys. Cause now it looks like it's starting to chop up a little bit. Starting to chop up a little bit. Da, da, da. So since I'm only on here Wednesday, oh, actually I'm gonna be on here Mondays and Wednesdays, every Monday and every Wednesday. Okay. And you guys can trade with me. If I'm not trading on Wednesdays and you guys want to trade with me, you can definitely come trade with me on my Discord. I just created it not too long ago, so it's still in the works of being set up for you guys and for people that are already in there. So just bear with me a little bit. If you guys want to join, I will go ahead and post the link here. My Discord name is also Woo Trades. That is my last name, Woo. My name is Kayden. Last name Woo, Kayden Woo. I'm Asian boy. I'm an Asian Chino boy. A lot of people think I'm Hispanic though, so let's get that shit straight. My wife is Mexican though. Oh, I don't like this market right now, guys. I gotta wait. I'm gonna give it like 15 minutes. I'm gonna let the 15 close. Actually, I'm gonna let the 1 hour close. I'm gonna let the 1 hour close. Because the way it's looking right now, it's looking like we're gonna be bullish. It's looking like we're gonna be getting some longs instead of shorts here. So, because we just took out this low right here, right? So, what I want to see now, let me see what's happening. Oh my God, this is terrible price action. This is ugly. I can't even work with anything here. I just gotta wait for some patterns to form for me to look at. Well, while it does that, do you guys mind if I go get some tea really quick? I'll go get some tea because nothing's really happening right now. Nothing is really happening. Ugh. Came back to nothing. Still nothing. God, this is really ugly price action, especially on the 1 minute, guys. Because I actually like to use the 1 minute to trade a lot. You can see a lot on the 1 minute, like a lot. Anyway, while this is happening, how about I show you guys the trade that I took the other day? It was fucking beautiful. Really quick. I took this trade yesterday, or not yesterday. I think 2 days ago, something like that. One day this week. But anyway, so I saw this New York Open. I saw this. I marked up my New York Open. I saw this 15-minute FBG. So I marked up the FBG, and then I came down on the 5-minute chart. Okay, and we were in a downtrend from London session all the way up here, and then Asia is up here, this yellow line right here. So we're already obviously in a downtrend, making higher highs, higher lows and lower lows, right? So we made a lower low here, higher low, and then we almost created a lower low, but we didn't yet until we came down here for New York. And then 9:30 open, I saw the retest happen. It didn't fully come into New York Open. Oh, actually no, this happened around 9:15. This retest of almost New York Open and of the FEG happened around 9:15. So I thought, okay, if 9:30 is coming and we're already this low, I'm going to expect us not to come back and retest. So I watched for this break of structure right here. This is literally the 9:30 candle open. 9:30, guys. I got in here, came all the way down here, and I hit, what was it? 119 points, guys. 476 ticks. 476 ticks. This is all you have to fucking wait for. You don't have to trade every single day. You have to trade when there's enough volume presented, when your setup is presented, right? This was a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. I think I made about 500 bucks off of this because I did trim. I like to trim a bit and then leave one running to like TP or whatever. Yes, hit like and subscribe, guys. Come on, hit that bell button, guys. Come on, Trading Nut is doing this for us. The least we can do is give him some love, show him some love, guys. You can also use his coupon for Apex. I think right now it's either 90% or 80% off, one of those. But you can use his coupon and get 80% off or 90% off of Apex futures, any funded account. All you have to do is use coupon code Trading Nut, okay? 80% off code Trading Nut. Oh, 80% off. All right, so let's come back over here. Yeah, looks like longs are trying to play out, but there's nothing to work with, guys. There's no FVGs. Like, now that we're far away from this New York Open, I gotta work with FVGs now, and I don't see any at all. At all. It's so ugly. You can thank OPEX for that. With my peppermint tea. Is anybody red on the day? Are you guys red on the day, or are you guys green on the day? Or has anybody taken a trade? I haven't taken a trade. I'm still waiting. Damn, y'all don't know how to type? Y'all don't got fingers to type in the comments? Well, we're still approaching this 15-minute FVG, or this 5-minute FVG, so... Sorry, guys. No trades for you? Thank you, E, for being active, I guess. Been subscribed for some yeeks. Man, I wish I could get a trade for you guys today, but I really don't know if it's gonna happen. Because I'll be done at 11. I have to be done a little bit earlier today. See if there's anything for ES. Oh, whoops. I trade ES as well, so let's see, because ES and NQ, they play off of each other. They play off of each other. There's a lot of SMT with each other for ES and NQ. Um, so let's see what pops off, guys. I want to see how ES is moving compared to NQ right now. They move pretty much the same. Join the Discord, E. Whatever. Oh, there you are. You're already in. I see you, bro. Welcome, welcome. I'm still learning how to fucking do the authorization thing, but hell yeah, E. Eddie boy. Yo. Your name is Eddie. I'm Kayden, bro. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, my guy. We're getting closer to that FVG, guys, so let's see what we want to do. Let's see what we want to do. I would really like to stay bearish. I really want to stay bearish. It's just we already taken out that low, but this 15-minute FVG is just so huge. Yeah, if I take longs, the only way I'm taking longs if we close above this New York Open. That's it. That's it. I can't say any other way. Then I'll just kind of probably close like 90% of my position at a 1-to-1, and then let the rest rock. Let's see what happens. It's coming up to it. It's coming up. See how this bitch reacts. I want to see like at least like a 25-point retracement into this FEG for me to come back down. I don't know why my tongue got all tied there. I do not have a lisp. I don't know why I'm speaking like that. But yeah, I want to see at least like 25 points. Oh, well, that's like a... Come on. But how many? 45 seconds? Okay, well, let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. Look how ES has pretty much literally the same FVG. The same FVG. Why? Because they move alike. They play off of each other. See, I need to see how... I want to see a nice retracement into this FVG and then a rejection, a nice red to green flip. I mean, a green to red flip. Nothing yet. Only taking shorts off of this FVG. No longs from me off this FVG. That's nice. So if we can get a nice flip here, green to red, I'll take some shorts. But if not, then I'll probably be waiting for this New York Open to be retested. Doesn't look like we're gonna reject much from here. Let's see. No, we're passing through it. We are passing through. We fully filled it, so if we reject, then I'll take it. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like buyers are really trying to step in here. Buyers are really stepping in here, especially after taking out all these lows right here. We took out 1, 2, 3 lows, so it would make sense for us to be going long right now. Yeah, it's a strong sell. I'm gonna be selling. I'm looking for shorts. I'm not really looking too much for longs. But yeah, if we have a nice rejection off of this FVG here, guys. That's nice. That's nice. I need a red flip. Okay. The only thing I don't like is that the 1 hour is closing in like 7 minutes. That's the only thing I don't like right now. Just a little skeptical about it because we already took out so many lows. We already took out so many lows before 9:30. I need to see a retest of New York Open, really. Like this FVG is nice and all, but it's just not too convincing for me. Because of how much liquidity we already took out. See how it's already rejecting and everything? It's trying to go lower, but it doesn't seem like it wants to. It rejected the FVG. It did, but see, it's not convincing. We have another red to green flip. Yeah, see, it's not it. It's not ready yet. Are you in sales, kid? Kid Vogue? Like, are you already in shorts or something? But look here how on ES we're struggling to really push up here. But NQ is leading. But ES is struggling. ES didn't even come back in this FVG yet. So we could very, very much so just be selling off. I just don't like how it doesn't line up with the higher time frames. So I gotta wait. I gotta wait, guys. It just doesn't line up for me. I'm not confident about this setup. It just doesn't look. It doesn't look clean. It looks very wicky. A lot of wicks. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I want my shit to be as clean as that. The fucking trade that I showed you guys. Like this one. See, we didn't, in this one, we didn't take out any lows yet besides, well, even for 930, we didn't take out any lows. That's why I was very confident about this specific trade here. It wasn't that choppy. It was very clean. So that's what I want, guys. That's what I want to see. Very choppy. And it's Friday. So stay safe. $73 people in here. 73 people in here. We need to get some more likes. We need to get some more likes down in here. Like and subscribe. Well, 70 something people in here and we only have 10 likes? Come on, guys. I know your fingers work, guys. I know those fingers are working, so hit that like button for me, please. It's not even for me, it's for the Trading Nut. Okay, you guys like his content, his page, his channel. Like this video right now. I know your fingers work because you used it to click on this link. So you can use your fingers again to click on the like button. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Por favor. Por favor. Have a nice SMT though. That's right, bro. Hit that shit, guys. It's free. You want this shit to continue? Well, you better hit that like button, boy. Man, this is nice. Actually, this is a pretty nice long, guys, but again, we have this FVG here that we're inside of. It's looking pretty good. This 5 minute just closed. Well, we'll see if it really closes above, but we could be rejecting off this FVG now. See, remember I said that 5 minute FVG was inside of this 15 minute FVG? See right here, it's literally inside of this 15 minute FVG. So that's why, another reason why I didn't feel too confident about it, because we're not fully rejecting this 15 minute FVG, and you know, higher time frame is better. Oh, thank you, oh. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong. Ovidio. Did I say that right? Ovidio. I think I said that right. Ovidio. Pretty cool name. Pretty cool name. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Alright, that's nice, guys. That's nice. That's a nice, oh man. That's nice. I think I'm gonna hit the sell button now, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put it above this. Where's my 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is right here. That's very nice. Wait a minute. Oh wow, they've changed the way they do things? I'm confused. I gotta get rid of this. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's a nice doji. But I just don't like the trade too much, but it's a nice doji. But why? Did they like switch something or something? I'm sorry guys, I gotta get out of this because alright, you guys can stay in if you want, but I gotta get out because did they switch something like on TradingView? Because I can't set my sell limit anymore. You guys can stay in if you want. But like, why? Does anybody know what happened? Oh, I said your name right? Hell yeah. Ovidiu. Okay, why the fuck can't I sell? That's a nice trade. That's a nice doji candle right there. And it should go down a little bit more, at least to about like right here. At least to about right there, where the 1-to-1 is. But I gotta get out because I don't know why I can't place sell limits and stuff. Maybe I have to start trading on TradingView. I mean, Trativate. Because before I'd just be able to just click it and go. I don't know what the. Okay, hold on. Buy sell buttons, yeah. Instant order placement, yeah. Oh, nice. We're pushing, we're pushing. But I had to just get out because my focus right now is not there because why can't I place limits? Come on, TradingView. See, what the fuck is this? I mean, it's great and all. I'm glad I can like do this, but okay, I guess I have to save order presets now or something. What the fuck is this? When did this change? Okay, I was just trading on this shit like yesterday, and what? Okay, 3 contracts. Takes like I think 130 points. I mean 130 ticks. I think that's like 30 points. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's like 30 points there. 130 ticks. Oh, not pushing anymore, guys. If you guys aren't out yet, please be careful. If you are in this trade, be careful. Hope you guys won't break even or grab some type of trims or something. That was a nice little scalp right there. But looks like we're trying to go up. Looks like we're trying to push up here. It's just so choppy, guys. It's OPEX day. It's OPEX day. Stops are right here above this doji candle, so just be careful. Be careful. Anyway, so from now on, I guess I got to do it like this. I guess this is how I have to do it from now on. Which is kind of nice. At least I get to see like how much I'm risking, I guess. But I'm not gonna take this anymore, guys. I guess I got out early for a reason. Now that everything happens for a reason, but I'm not gonna take this trade. It just, like I said, we already took out so much liquidity from the bottom. It just, technically, it makes more sense to go long, to take out Asia high and London high. Okay, it makes a little bit more sense to do so. So if we can reverse and inverse this 15-minute FPG, I'm definitely taking longs. I'm definitely taking longs because we're definitely going to be shooting past there. But it's just so wicky, guys. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Let's look at ES. You said it's cleaner. Let's look at it. Not really, bro. It's pretty. It's still pretty choppy to me. To me, at least. And we didn't even come back up into this FVG for ES. We didn't even have a retracement. And typically, if you want like a really valid, a nice FVG, you want to see a nice retracement into the FVG and then a rejection, and that'll tell you, okay, this is a valid FVG for me to enter to continue into shorts or longs or whatever the hell your FVG is for, right? We didn't even retest it, bro. We're just hovering right below it. It's not clean. It's not clean enough for me. It's ugly, bro. It's ugly. Very ugly. I'll be back Monday though if we don't get a trade within like the next 20 minutes. I'm gonna stay on for like another 20 minutes, but it looks like we're just gonna be in the chop sesh today. Chop city. Just chopping up. Oh, nice. Look at that rejection. It's happening. It's just not good enough for me because we don't really have any more lows to target besides like internal lows, which is fine. Oh, you're in? Nice. Good job. I am not because I'm good. It's just not clean enough for me. It's a nice FVG and all, but It's not good enough for me, guys. It's a nice trade though. Nice trade, nice trade. Yeah, you're welcome. If you were to like a 1-to-1, literally just would have got hit. Perfect, perfect. It would have been perfectly hit. Oh, well, almost right here. But yeah. Did you take my signal? Was that my trade that you took, or you just did it? See, look at that, bro. I don't like that shit. When I want to see a fucking breakout, I want to see a clean break, man. That's just ugly. I was listening to a video the other day. I was listening to a video the other day that was talking about new traders and back testing and all that jazz. And he said a lot of people, when they're back testing, there are days during their back testing that they skip because why? I mean, it's not a good day to trade. There's no setup, there's no nothing, right? So we need to bring that over into our live trading days. So a day like this, I probably wouldn't have traded. I probably wouldn't have traded this day. Although this FVG is playing out, it's just it's not pretty enough for me, for my eyeballs. But the FVG, wow, that's that shit's really playing out. And the 15-minute FVG, we had a nice rejection as well, and a closure below. So that's nice. So whoever took that trade, congrats to you, and you're welcome. Nice, bro. I'm happy to help. I'm happy to help. See, if it was me, it would have been smarter to have a nice clean move all the way up. Yeah, let's look at ES. Yeah, there's actually there is an SMT playing out right here. BRB. Okay, bet. Bet. I hope you went break even. Yeah, that's so weird. Oh my gosh. Like, what is this shit? I'm still stuck on that because what the fuck? I'm still stuck on the fact that I can't place limits anymore. What is this shit? Chop chop session. Oh my god, this shit is so ugly, bro. Like, I just would not trade this at all. It's just so ugly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, my friends, because there's no trade that's gonna be happening here. There's no trade. We're in a range. We are range bound, baby. We are range bound. We already had the breakout for the day, and that was at 8:30. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and let's journal. Let's journal. I just took a screenshot of my trading view. Okay. All right, guys, this is not going to play out, so we're going over here. We're journaling, all right? This was a loss, I believe, yeah. Okay, what time is it? It is 10:16 a.m. I'm going to upload my screenshot. This is my screenshot. Okay. Journal your trades, even the days you don't fucking trade. Even the days you don't trade. No trade. No trade was taken today because there was no confirmed setup. I mean, there was the 5-minute FEG. I guess I can include that in there. Okay, let's do this. Took one trade based off of the 5-minute and 15-minute FEG rejection, but closed early due to technical difficulties with trading view and limit orders. Had I been able to set my limit orders, a 1-to-1 would have been hit, but it was best to stay cash today because there was a lot of chop. We already took out multiple lows before 9:30 a.m. and today is OPEX. Okay, so that's it for my journaling for the day. I'm not taking a trade. I journaled. Again, if you don't know what OPEX is, it is every third Friday of the month. Okay, it's when contracts expire in both options and futures, and traders are trying to manage their positions before the contract expires, which can create a lot of volatility and uncertainty in the markets, which is literally what's happening right fucking now. So every third Friday of the month is never really a good Friday to trade. Okay, guys, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for being on the live. I will be back on Monday. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to his channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button again. It's free if you guys want these to continue. Come on, just show us some love. Hit that like button. And I'll be back on Monday. Again, I believe Apex has some discount sales going on right now, 80% or 90%. I can't remember which one it is, but you can use his code down here below, Trading Nut, to get a discount on your combines. Okay, guys? I'll be back on Monday. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. If you are continuing to trade, please stay safe. I think it would be best to come back after lunch or during like power hour or something. But right now it's really choppy. It's uncertain. Market doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. It's best to come back Monday. All right, guys. Take care. Stay safe. Use condoms and wear protection, okay? Bye, guys. See you later.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.